In this video we are talking about if Quant is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, we are right now in this very interesting demand zone where we saw the last time the push to the upside, and right now we saw that we came under this demand zone right here, which is a bearish sign. But after this bearish candle we saw this bullish candle to the upside, which is a very good sign for Quant. As we go on the daily chart, you can see that we have this range right here. We always tested this level to the downside, but just one time with this body close, which is normally not a good sign. But right now, after this bearish candle, we saw this bullish candle to the upside, which is a very good sign. And right now we saw this push to the upside. And as I said in the last videos, we see this high right here, which caused the move to the downside. And if we are breaking this high to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we are seeing higher levels for Quant. And as you can see, we closed with a daily and weekly body over this high. So we saw this break of structure to the upside. So we shifted now on a daily time frame bullish. So now I would search for long positions. As you can see, we see reaction right here and now going to the downside. I think if we are coming back to this demand zone right here, and if we are coming to this demand zone and see a bullish reaction right here, that I want to move into long positions right here. And if we are seeing the bullish reaction, that the chance is very high that we are seeing higher levels for Quant. But if we are coming to this demand zone and we are breaking through this demand zone right here, then the chance is very high that we are seeing even lower levels for Quant. But if anything interesting happens for Quant, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Quant. So all in all, I'm bearish now on Quant, because we made a higher high with this full body candle on the daily chart. So I would search for long positions, and the best case would be if we are coming back to the zone, see a bullish reaction right here, and then I would buy some coins for my hodl portfolio to hodl to the upside. But there's also the chance that we are going now to the upside again without reaching this demand zone. And if we are breaking this demand zone, then the chance is high that we are seeing even lower levels. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.